Making money with Expert Option, a trading platform focused on binary options, involves understanding market trends and using strategies to predict asset price movements. Here's how you can get started. Create an account. Sign up for an account on Expert Option and choose the type of account that suits your needs. Deposit funds into your account using a variety of methods like credit cards, e-wallets, or cryptocurrencies. Choose your assets. Expert Option allows trading on stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Select assets based on your knowledge or research and focus on high volatility markets for better returns. Understand binary options. Binary options involve predicting whether an asset's price will rise or fall within a set time frame. The payout can be up to 95%, but it also comes with significant risk. Make sure to assess each trade carefully. Use risk management. Implement risk management strategies like setting stop losses, trading with small amounts, and diversifying trades. Practice with demo accounts before trading with real money to build your skills. Monitor and analyze. Regularly track market trends and use technical analysis tools available on the platform. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading to maintain profitability.